Yeah, throw it away.
Hey?
It's horrible.
You think apple juice grows on trees?
Yes.
Hey, you got me. It does.
Yeah. Someone said, Gina Nyla Asiata McCarthy commented on my Instagram. He said, "Hi Faye, absolutely love watching your videos." Thank you very much for that. Appreciate it. Oh, it's a really lovely day today in Sydney, guys, at IKEA. Love shopping in IKEA, but you don't want to over put in your trolley. Spotto, right there, Spotto again. Oh, two Spottos.
Spotto.
Well, that was my Spottos, those two.
Spotto right there.
Just look, yeah, right there, Bello. Can
Do you want me to take you to that Spotto and then you
Can you just hurry up? Hurry up, you Bello. Hurry. No, you know you didn't see a Spotto. Oh, just go, just go.
I will take you to the Spotto I saw.
Look at Bello, yeah. Just go. Beautiful day. Oh,
Don't harass the Uber driver.
Yeah. Oh, look at this guy on this lawnmower. Watch out, you might come run us over. Oh no, he's not even on this lane. What a story maker, Shirley. Beautiful day, guys. Bye, Limangaya. Now we're off to Costco to renew my card and spend money. Oh, what a lopsided camera. Oh my gossy wossy.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
This is Costco at Marston Park. There's not a lot of people here today, so that's good. So we can find us a car park this way.
Why?
To the left, to the left.
It's not busy this way.
That way. Did you hear my elbow?
Yeah.
Okay.
One driver. Okay?
Yeah, hurry up then.
One captain. So you look a little less space. We can park right.
Yeah, on the left.
Over her.
Yeah.
Don't tell me what to do.
Yeah. Watch out. Oh, yeah, you can. You're gonna miss it. Okay. Yeah, stop now.
Now.
Oh look, they got a Bingley over there too.
That's what I said.
And Anytime Fitness and a Conda. Ladies all have muffins and cakes and stuff like that. Spotto.
I didn't put on my car.
Well, you got your ID. Don't you need ID for that kind of stuff? Did I even bring my phone yet? Hey, that thing is like an air conditioned warehouse, eh? We're just going to go renew our card. So we're in Costco now, guys. Here to spend my money. Honey.
$30.
For what?
Because when people come for Christmas.
It's going to be a really hot day.
Yeah, when people come for Christmas, I'm going to do a lucky door draw. When everyone comes in, they get a raffle ticket.
Okay. And that's going to be the prize?
No, a prize.
One of the prizes.
But I can't have it today or now.
Exactly.
How cool is that?
That's to buy and go home. Where are you going to put it to cool it down anyway?
This will be the first one.
It's going to, no.
I'll come back and I'll buy it closer. I don't remember this.
Sharon, it's going to be summer. No one wants nasty chocolate. I've got 2 boxes of chocolate at home. No one's touching it. Yeah, no. Oh, yeah. More of they have this. How much is this one?
23.
I like these. I like these kind of.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Because
$24. How much is this?
My brother always says to me, buy me a machine like this. Uncle Shaki, he always says, buy you a nice coffee machine. How much? That's nice, hey. You guys can have some little cup of coffees.
There's already like ODs on the way, ones at work, and then comes home and doesn't even touch alcohol. I wonder if
And look, you can get all this yummy looking. That is a nice machine, but who's going to use it? It'll probably only be Jerome.
Jerome?
Yeah, Jerome won't like that.
Who's Jerome?
Just me and Jerome.
I wonder if they could put the Starbucks ones in there.
Oh, what is the flavour? Espresso, double espresso, KO espresso, and mud espresso. And oh, look, you know these chocolates? Yummy, yummy. What's this, dark chocolate? That's nice. See, you should make this be the first price, Sharon. Me? Hey, hey. You don't want to get that big stock. You best to get that little nice colourful one.
I'm gonna get that big one. It's only supposed to be a novelty thing.
Yes, but it's best to get that little. Oh, hang on. I just get Noah some shorts. So medium. Sharon, hang on. Yeah, I want to get Noah up here. I think he'll be a large right now. You know, I'll probably buy this. He's got a complaint. He complains about everything. Do you think that's a size? Or medium? I'm going to see if there's any seafood. I'm hoping they got some good seafood today. So this is the seafood area, guys. So they got a lot of salmon. Monday they got snappers here too. Oh, it's already cleaned. Still looks really good too. Look at that pan. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get one. Get one fried one for my mama. Oh, my husband's been out the flounders. Okay. This one. Yeah. Some flounders, my snapper. There's some mussels here, Australian mussels. Oh, look, there's still a lot of sand, so I guess you have to take this home and clean it before you cook it. At least I got this. What is it called? Pipi. Yeah. Pipi. I don't know about this. It said the expiry date is on the 8th of the 11th, and this one's 7th of the 11th. So what is the date today? Yeah, but last year, guys. Okay. Sorry. She's buying pippies too. Yeah, so I've got flounders. Yeah, flounders. Yeah. So, yeah, they advise good things like that. Some people just charge you for whatever. Anyway, Sharon Lee, come here. So, look at this. Dad's been after flounders and now I found some. Yeah. So, wow. Look at that. Whole salmon. Man, if you're having a nice party, you want to take this and then you cook it whole. But then, what oven would fit this in, eh? Wow, what a big one. Yeah, like I said, guys, my film is my battery is dying. So if it dies, I've already said goodbye. Hey guys. But for now, let's keep filming. What's that?
If you baked it.
Yeah, I know. You just make, I've seen some, oh that's a nice one. I've seen some, they put some stuff over it and then they just bake it for not too long.
Yeah,
and
I
then
know how to season that real good.
yeah? Is that a competition?
One try, or you want one with the...
Okay, sorry. Okay, Sharon, let's go and look over there. So, you know that? I got the pippies, right? Because I want to make a food out of it. So. What is that? I'll take this so I can share with my daughter. Thank you.
Do you get mussels? Is that meat?
I didn't know. Yeah, so try it. I love the little one. That one looks moist.
What is it, steak?
Warm, soft. Nice, eh? Tender.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's tender.
That's nice.
Yeah. Excuse me, where would I get this lamb?
Just
Over here? Like these ones here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Right now it's a whole leg of lamb but without the bone. But you can chop it up like how I do or slice it like a steak.
Okay, thank you. It's nice and tender.
It is.
No, not this one. Here's Sharon. No, I'm going to take it.
No, it's good.
It's a leg of lamb without the bone. But she must have keep it in front of it. I got the pippies.
You don't want to get mussels?
Well, I'm not going to use it now.
But you will use it.
Yeah. I just don't want to clean it. The trouble of cleaning it. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Not funny. Excuse you. Watch it. Okay. Okay. Let me have a look. Oh, it's a super black. Yeah. I'll get this one. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'll put these in the freezer because I won't be using it now, but I'll use it later. Look at this. These are 195. Oh my gosh, that's like the whole cow for that price. Yeah, come on then. Let's go. Look what it says. Smoked brat.
Yeah, so Geneva's in there. Chalora, a bit of Xavier.
Look at this though.
I think these are the American ones.
You know what? It should be having cheese in this one. Parosa. Parosa, no? And a leg of lamb. Oh, these what people like to get and chop up and fry together with What is it called? Oh, Sharon. Sharon. Look. Spotto. These are all boys' dream cars, hey? Rum, rum. Rum, 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 rum. Now, the big boy. Yum. Moose. And it says luxurious dessert.
$12 for 6. That's not bad. $2.
Yum.
Oh no, actually, no.
No, they will be nice.
Access.
Look at this, look at this. Like you got a few friends coming over. They laugh. Sharon, they laugh. This. Do you know how many times I bought this and no one eats it?
Which one? Enchiladas.
Yeah.
No, because this, my friends, yum, delicious.
Well, just as long as you don't forget it's in my fridge.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna forget it. But
Oh yeah, hang on, wait. I like these. These are so handy, guys. Especially if you're like me, you don't like washing, you know, like pots and pans and any kind of dishes.
damn, Daniel, that's actually a good price.
Hey, if you.
Because at Foe's, they're $1 a piece, so like 8, 9.
Yeah, yeah, I bought that before, and it took ages for me to finish it.
Oh, but they're not large. Never mind.
Well, what do you want a large for? You only got about 4 people in your family? No. So I said 4. That can't fit in your oven.
No, for when you have barbecue.
Oh, yeah, yeah. But you want 2 little... The supple art of giving a shit. This is so handy. Pardon? Look, this is $16, but in Woolworth just for 100 it's 15. Oh no, till like $10. Because July just got us one.
How much is that?
15.
Non-powdered?
Oh no, it's for cooking.
What size is it?
Food safe, large.
Oh, lightly powdered.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, lightly powdered.
Oh yeah. Very cute. Look at these cute cupcake cases. They're so cute. If only you knew how to bake, Sharon.
Do you know how to bake?
I do know how to bake. Oh, look, Sharon Lee, Nelly Harris toy. Lobster tail. $30. And it's got garlic and butter on it already. What?
This. And let me know how it tastes. It's on sale right now.
Yeah, get 2.
But you don't know if it's good. True that now, it's gonna
No, yeah, I like prawn, What's your trolley? Yeah, get us a box. Get 2 actually, because the kids always say, any of us? Yes. The freezer outside has gone a bit empty, so it needs. Yeah. The Japanese Sanuki udon noodle soup. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it now, eh? So what's that?
I just want to look.
What does it have in it?
Is that soup dumpling? Oh no. Never mind.
Just udon. Udon. Oh, vegetable spring rolls. No, it's got to have some meat in it. Otherwise, I ain't interested. Buffalo wings. What happened? You tip your drink. Oh look, honey soy what? Honey soy wings. Oh, I hope they don't mangai it.
Wait, when you cook this, let me know, eh?
Uh-huh.
But make sure there is no poison.
Lasagna.
Everyone is safe.
Well, my kids just had lasagna just the other day, so no.
My kids can have lasagna every day.
Hey, no, hey. Nugget and lasagna. Yeah, come on. Let's go.
I love the marinade.
This is all that yummy seafood stuff. Well, guys, I think that's it for now. It's time for us to go and pay for our shopping, see what the damage is, and I'll see you later in my other video. Okay, why am I pointing up? Yeah, no. Bye, guys. Take care. Thanks for joining us today. Me and Sharon Lee. And I'll see you again. Take care. Someone's got a nice perfume on. Oh, hang on, it's me. Anda, Sharon. See?
Have you seen my brownies?
Yes? I like the red potatoes. Even when you roast them, it's got a firm texture.
27 and 5 cents.
Okay. Hold this.
Everyone, look at her pin number. Yep, 3, 7.
You wouldn't think all this, like this little shopping is like many. How much is it?
This video is going to be so nausea, it's not funny.
Yeah, well,
You know what you
especially
need?
when you got hold of the camera, it's just like really shake.
No, you need one of those gimbal things, Mum.
Yeah.
Like, it would just always stabilize the camera for you.
Wow, look at the way you're holding it. Steady it.
Excuse me, I'm pushing a whole trolley.
Yeah, I'll push it. I didn't know it was blueberry. What is it?
We didn't even get the cream cheese.